My name is Perry Walton. I live in the Villages, Florida. I'm 66 years old. My story begins actually with some very sick lungs, very sick lung condition. It was about 2002, the late part of 2002, that I noticed that I was coughing an awful lot. In fact, I had a dry, hacking, unproductive cough that would last sometimes minutes upon minutes at a time. The cough would often result in an actual having to throw up after I got my morning shower. I knew that this wasn't normal, so I sought out the help of my internal medicine doctor. I went to the procedures and I went to the doctor, and I'm sitting in the pulmonologist's office, and this is in the fall of 2004. He takes 2 steps backwards from his exam table. He pulls the stethoscope down from around his ears and he says, "Mr. Walton, you have a very serious condition." And I said, "It's not the big C word, is it?" And he said, "Actually, no, you'll wish that it was." He said, "Cancer is treatable. Your condition is not. You probably have 6 months at the most without a dual lung transplant." I was getting consistently and more completely worse and worse almost by the day. I was at the point that I couldn't walk 25 feet without supplemental oxygen. And I came and I met the doctor. I met Dr. Jose Antonio Calzada, sitting right here in this chair, my wife sitting next to me. He took a single drop of blood and examined it under the dark field microscope. We talked a little bit about my condition, and he said, "Well, you know you have an incurable condition." He said, "But I do believe, I have faith that I can extend your life and I can improve your quality of life." And I said, "Sure, whatever you say, doctor." So we made the commitment, and that was in January of '05. I came back in February. We came back again in March. I started actually in January when I got home. I could tell a difference. So we have continued to come back to see Dr. Calzada after he had told me in November, "Your body will let you know when it's time. We don't have to follow a schedule anymore." I feel the best now I've felt in 30 years, maybe more. Today I play golf 3 days a week, very active in other sports, and lead an extremely active lifestyle. Obviously, I have a depth of gratitude that I cannot completely articulate or really even begin to for all they've done here at the Bioadvanced Medical Center in Tijuana. Dr. Calzada, I'm very grateful to the doctor. Everyone here is so professional, they're so dedicated, they're so compassionate that it's something that is, you have to experience it to be able to accept it. It's just such a complete and thorough program. So as far as I'm concerned, the real healing and miracles take place here at the Bioadvanced Medical Center in Tijuana, Mexico. They have the expertise, they have the knowledge, they have the healing hands.